Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diaper bags is probably one of the most crucial investments for new parents. It's more than just a bag, it's your mobile command center for all things baby. From diapers and wipes to bottles and toys, a well-chosen diaper bag keeps everything organized and accessible. In this video, we'll explore the top diaper bags on the market, helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs and lifestyle. Number 5. RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack, Large Capacity. Trust in the proven quality of this diaper bag. It comes with a changing pad and a pacifier case. You'll find it spacious enough to hold all your baby essentials. This bag features 2 big compartments and 17 pockets. It keeps everything perfectly organized. The insulated bottle pockets are perfect for various bottle sizes. Inside, there's a padded laptop pocket and mesh organizers. You can easily find your keys and grab diapers or snacks. This bag is a must-have for your baby registry. The extra wide opening makes it easy to find what you need. Dual zippers allow for easy access. The ergonomic design and padded straps provide comfortable carrying. Wear it as a backpack, handbag, or hang it on the stroller. Its minimalist design makes it perfect for any occasion. The gender-neutral design makes it easy to pass along. Made of lightweight, durable, and waterproof fabric. It features non-fraying stitching and strong zippers. Reinforced seams ensure it will last for years. What we like? This diaper bag boasts a large capacity and numerous pockets, ensuring you can carry all your baby essentials. Its waterproof design provides peace of mind in any situation. If you're looking for a bag that keeps you organized and prepared for anything, this is the one for you. What people say. This backpack is super durable, easy to access the pockets, and it holds a ton of stuff without stressing the zippers. Great size for a baby bag. Lots of pockets and pockets of all different sizes. Comes with a changing pad and it fits in one of the pockets on the inside of the bag itself. It's comfortable to wear and looks good on both my husband and I. The straps are thick but comfortable. There's lots of pockets but are easy to keep organized. Number 4. KeaBabies Diaper Bag Backpack, Trendy Black. This diaper bag is made with premium Oxford fabric, which is water-resistant and scratch-proof. It's designed to withstand daily use and travel, ensuring it lasts wherever you go. It's a must-have for your baby essentials. The high-quality zippers make a big difference. They are easy to use, allowing you to quickly access diapers and other items without any hassle. This feature is designed for convenience. This large backpack includes a generously sized changing mat with a waterproof surface. It's easy to clean with sanitizer after each use. This provides a clean and convenient space for diaper changes. This diaper bag is loved by both moms and dads for its thoughtful pockets and compartments. It's ideal for everyday outdoor needs, making it a versatile choice for parents. It's a unisex baby gear that parents would love. This diaper bag allows busy parents to go hands-free all day. You can use a baby carrier or carry your baby while still having everything you need. It's the perfect bag for on-the-go parenting. What we like? This bag is made with durable Oxford fabric, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The smooth zippers make accessing your items a breeze. If you value durability and ease of use, this bag is a great choice. What people say. First of all, the size is amazing. It fits so much I even have extra space after all the stuff I add. The insulated bottle pocket is such a lifesaver and it fits all my bottles of different sizes. There are so many compartments and pockets to fit all different needs that comes with newborns. Number 3. INIUNIU Diaper Bag Backpack 4-in-1 Kit. This is the INIUNIU Diaper Bag Backpack. It's a large, unisex bag designed for both boys and girls. It's perfect for parents on the go. This backpack comes as a 4-in-1 kit. It includes everything you need to keep your baby happy and comfortable while traveling. It's a must-have for any parent. The bag offers a large capacity, providing ample space for all your baby essentials. You can easily pack diapers, wipes, bottles, and more. It helps you stay organized. The backpack features a waterproof design, protecting your belongings from spills and rain. It ensures everything stays dry and safe. This feature provides peace of mind. It's designed as a travel backpack, making it easy to carry and convenient for trips. The bag is comfortable to wear and has multiple compartments. It makes travel with your baby a breeze. The kit includes a diaper pouch, adding extra convenience. This pouch helps you keep diapers and wipes separate and easily accessible. It's a thoughtful addition. What we like. This diaper bag comes as a 4-in-1 kit, offering versatility and convenience. It features a large capacity, perfect for all your baby's needs. If you need a comprehensive and adaptable solution, this bag is designed for you. What people say. I love that this bag has a separate area just for your diaper items. I love the many pockets it has. Roomy, with lots of usefully sized pockets. Number 2. Dikaslon Diaper Bag Tote with Changing Pad. This large diaper bag tote is crafted with durable polyester material and features an easy-to-clean interior. It comes with a pacifier case, a portable changing pad, and an adjustable shoulder strap. The studded feet on the bottom keep it clean. This bag offers multiple pockets for all your baby essentials. It includes a wide-open main compartment, a front parent pocket, and a back zipper pocket. There are also insulated pouches and easy-access pockets for bottles and wipes. Everything has its place. This streamlined bag is perfect for moms and dads with multiple kids. It's great for a day out or a weekend getaway. It can also be used as a hospital overnight bag or even a travel bag after the baby phase. The diaper tote can be carried as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. It also features a luggage sleeve that easily slides over carry-on luggage handles, making travel simple and convenient. With its lightweight fabric and stylish detailing, this baby bag makes a thoughtful baby shower gift. It's also an ideal gift for various occasions like Thanksgiving, Christmas, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. It's a must-have for any new parent. What we like. This diaper bag is both durable and functional, designed for everyday use. It offers tons of storage with multiple pockets for all your essentials. If you're looking for a stylish and practical bag for both parents, consider this one. What people say. Lots of little compartments keeps everything organized. Fits all my baby's diaper essentials, extra clothing, and even my pumping stuff. Plenty of room, good quality. So much space and pockets for organizing, comfortable to sling over your shoulders or simply handle like a really big purse. Number 1. RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack, large capacity, waterproof. Introducing the RUVALINO Diaper Bag Backpack, a must-have for all parents. This large capacity, waterproof bag is designed to make your life easier. It has everything you need for on-the-go convenience. This diaper bag features 2 big zipper compartments and 18 accessible pockets. It includes a padded laptop pocket, mesh organizers, and insulated pockets to keep bottles at the right temperature. You can easily access your essentials. With an extra wide opening and easy glide zippers, you can quickly grab what you need. Built-in stroller straps and a portable changing pad add to the convenience. It also comes with a detachable pacifier holder. Use it as a backpack, handbag, or stroller organizer. It's perfect for travel and makes a great carry-on. The stylish design makes it ideal for both men and women, and it's a perfect baby shower gift. Made from lightweight, water-resistant fabric with reinforced seams. It features strong zippers and cushioned shoulder straps for comfortable carrying. This bag is built to last through all your adventures. What we like. This bag provides a large capacity and an accessible structure, making it easy to find what you need. It offers on-the-go convenience with features like stroller straps and a changing pad. If you are a parent who values ease of use and organization, this bag is perfect for you. What people say. Plenty of pockets. The insulated bottle pockets are a lifesaver. The changing pad is a nice addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.